Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook avatar your profile picture. If you're new here, I'm Michael. To make a Facebook avatar your profile picture, click on your profile on the top right corner of your screen, and or you can click on your profile in this section. Now once you click on this, it's going to take you to your profile. On your profile page, click on the three dots you can see in this section. Now once you click on this, click on edit. This is going to take you to edit your page. In this section where it says avatar, click on edit. Now once on this page, you need to customize your avatar if you already do have an avatar. But if you don't have an avatar, you can watch my video on how to create a Facebook avatar. Click on save. Your avatar should be updated. Now once your avatar is updated, go back, and this is going to take you to this page. Now once on this page, you're going to see the options to make a Facebook avatar your profile picture. Click on create profile picture, and then you can select the pose for your avatar depending on the character that you have selected, and you can also select a background for your avatar in this section. Once you are done, click on save, and once you have successfully saved it, go back. Now you should see that your avatar has now been made your Facebook profile picture. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to make Facebook avatar your profile picture, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification bell turned on for more content like this. I hope to see you guys in my next video.